Hey there, it's Shepherd Chong here. This is a little audio bits about my results from the sound tests I've been doing. Um, I think they turned out fairly well, all things considered. Uh, Audio quality is okay. I mean, most of it. I say a lot. Yeah, I really do that. I gotta work on that. um, yeah, I'd say it turned out alright. Uh, I can pick up sounds fairly easily that are close by. I've noticed more than a foot or two away is problematic. Um, I actually got some fairly good results while I was doing the test outdoor. Uh, there's also a variation of but yeah, I couldn't pick up any distant sounds. Did it again. Yeah. Um, Overall, it really, I think this is a good microphone. This is the Blue Snowball Ice again. Uh, I think I've probably mentioned their name enough times that I'm obligated to say that I'm not being sponsored by them. It's not meant to be free advertisement or anything like that. It's just what I'm using. I do pick up sounds like me swallowing or clearing my throat a bit more than I really would like. Um, my voice cracks sometimes. I have a problem with dry throat. I just took a drink of something to help with that. Um, so yeah, the sound tests are okay. YouTube's video editing thing didn't really go the way I expected it to. These recordings were made as uh oh darn it. There it is. WMAs. That's Windows Media Audio, I think, files. Using a Windows computer. Just I'm recording this with a basic sound recorder program that came with with my OS. That's operating system if you don't know what that means. Yeah, it's just freeware that comes with it. It just records sounds, nothing else. Records it as WMA files. Apparently, you can't upload WMA. YouTube won't let you upload WMA files. I was thinking that I just upload them onto YouTube's video editor and create the video on there. Apparently, they don't do that. You need a different file type. So they directed me to a bit of video editing freeware. What's it called? It's called Microsoft Movie Maker. It's also freeware. You can download it. It's fine. It's okay for what it is. It's freeware. So yeah, I basically created. I uploaded the WMA file to it and then added some images I made in MS Paint, like I mentioned in like the second sound test or something. Tried to make it more complicated the more I did it. It's not too difficult. It's not like absurd or anything. And since the videos are only like a few minutes long, it only like took a few minutes to process it and turn it into a file. And uploading it onto YouTube is a pretty easy process. Yeah. Honestly, there wasn't too much to say about this. None of it really went the way I expected it to. But at the same time, it's not like this is all impossible for me. Like it's so difficult I'll never do it again. Nothing like that. Yeah, I really did not expect the whole needing to create a file for it on a different program, then upload it, and then customize it on YouTube. Since I knew that YouTube has their own sort of little video editor thing with their upload section, I expected to do it on that. But yeah, it's really not a big deal or anything. So, yeah. I'm future plans, maybe I'll say something about that, I guess. I've got a couple of like little anecdotes I've recorded, just sort of odd little things that have happened to me in my life recently. Generally humorous, Nothing like super serious, like deaths in the family or political views or any crap like that. Yeah, I'm not a very serious person. But anyway, yeah. If you happen to be watching this, or listening to this, as I'm probably not going to be putting, like, a proper video file, it's audio with some still images. If you're happening to be listening to this, yeah, that's mostly what I'm going to be doing until I figure out more complicated stuff with video editing. I've mentioned that I am very new to this, and that this is all basically me just learning how to do this. So yeah, I suppose that's about the end of it. I was Shepherd Chong, and I still am. And you just listened to something completely pointless. Haha!